Imagine a smartphone that combines aesthetics, durability, and performance all in one pocket-friendly package. Welcome to the world of Realme 5i. The Realme 5i is an embodiment of style and substance. With a unique sunrise design that mimics the colors of the dawn, this phone is more than just a gadget, it's a fashion statement. The phone's rear panel sports a textured finish that provides a comfortable grip while also reducing the chances of fingerprints and smudges. Powering this elegant device is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 AIE processor. This powerful chipset ensures smooth and efficient performance, whether you're browsing the web, playing games, or multitasking. The phone's performance is further enhanced by its 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 256 GB via a microSD card. The Realme 5i shines in the camera department as well. It boasts a quad camera setup at the back, consisting of a 12-megapixel primary sensor, an 8-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 2-megapixel macro lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes, intimate portraits, or detailed close-ups, the Realme 5i has got you covered. On the front, the phone features an 8-megapixel selfie camera that captures stunning selfies even in low-light conditions. One of the standout features of the Realme 5i is its massive 5,000 mAh battery. This powerhouse can easily last a day and a half on a single charge, even with heavy usage. The phone also supports reverse charging, allowing it to double up as a power bank in a pinch. The Realme 5i runs on the user-friendly Color 06 0.1 based on Android 9.0 Pie. This custom skin offers a plethora of features and customization options, ensuring a personalized and intuitive user experience. Now, to summarize, the Realme 5i is an affordable smartphone that doesn't compromise on features or performance. Its stylish design, powerful processor, versatile camera setup, massive battery, and user-friendly operating system combine to offer a holistic smartphone experience. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or a tech enthusiast, the Realme 5i is a reliable companion that caters to all your smartphone needs.